Kanji number 100. So meaning of that kanji, heal or cure. Heal or cure. So how to write? So here horizontal 1, that one, this one. So sound only E. Heal or cure. In that kanji, sound only E. So Isha. Isha, that means doctor. So E, Isha, doctor. Isha, doctor. E in, clinic. E in, that means this is the clinic. E in. So here E in, this is clinic, doctor and clinic. E in, Isha.